Are you looking for an easy-to-use software that can store and retrieve all your financial data in just a few clicks? If the answer is yes, then I have good news for you. Presenting to you, Microsoft Excel. Excel is the most popular program for managing and reporting data. This is largely due to its availability. All computers with Windows have Microsoft Excel installed in them. It is also available on Mac OS on different mobile devices. With the latest version of Office, Office 365, Excel has become available online. This means that users have access to the program from a range of devices, from almost any location. Microsoft Excel is used by over 1.2 billion people on the planet, and if you don't know how to use it yet, then you're missing out big time. So that is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to use this powerful software to grow your business to the next level.
We're now looking at the desktop application, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is designed to take data in the form of numbers and words and to create sensible analysis from it. It allows you to produce these documents and customize them in ways that make sense for the people that you are delivering the information to. Now in this course, we will look at various aspects of the creation process. We'll take a look at the basic elements of each menu: the File menu, the Home menu, the Insert menu, the Page Layout menu, the Formulas menu, the Data menu, the Review menu, and the View menu, so that you'll be able to create your own spreadsheets as well as enter and manipulate data. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.
If this interests you, learn how I can help you get started fast.